What is personally identifiable information, and how do you protect it? Personally identifiable information, also known by the economy of PLL, is information that can identify you as a being. Well, you as a result, it's a valuable resource for data broker and anybody that makes their money selling data to marketers. Here's what you can do to protect your PI. Personally identifiable information is any information that can be used to figure out who you are. This, this list will give you an idea of everything that can be considered PII through. There's plenty more out there: name and surname, social security number, taxpayer number outside the US, passport or other ID document number, email address, personal address, phone number, bank account or card number, data or place of birth, mother name, IP address, race or region, education data. Some of this data like your name or ID number is direct PII with just one data point. Somebody can know how you are other data is indirect or linked PII, which needs more than one data point to figure out who you are. Think about things like your IP addresses or your birth date. However, it should be clear that these puzzles are a lot easier to solve than you may think, thanks to advances in data storage and retrieval. Not to maintain all, you can create a very thorough profile of somebody with just a few data points. The short version is that you can combine an IP address and some data points gleaned from browser fingerprinting. That's the start of a profile, and every time something new is discovered about you, it's added to it. Over time, the data broker will get a accurate picture of who you are and what you like, and sell that to a marketer. The only way to prevent or even just slow down this kind of harvesting is by looking down your data while staying completely anonymous. Online is not possible. There are a few ways to keep data spawning to a minimum. First up is using a VPN. VPN as work by rerouting your internet traffic through an intermediate serve. This lets you assume an IP address associated with the VPN service instead of your own IP address are an important for date, as they are at the root of your web traffic. Taking it away from data calculator makes their job a lot harder, as they cannot as easy link your browsing habits back to you. VPNs also have some other tricks to anybody who may want to intercept your data. Besides your connection, they also it with a so-called VPN through data brokers are no for all auto attacks on people. They do acts as a deterrent for anybody